and of course with my fellow presenter,
the one and only Mr. Manago.
Okay, Mr. Manago. So guys, we love so much. Thank you for following our channel, liking the radio ZenFM, and of course you gonna see, scan this wherever you see it, whether in Kampala, scan this, and of course even if you're moving around, scan, you just scan and everything will work by themselves. Big up Ketchup, big up Sammy I, and of course I myself, Miss Salis Uganda. Let me big up on myself, you know, because I do great work, guys. So make sure, and by the way, this is just for you. If you want to advertise with us as a radio station, you just have to do one thing very small. Come in the radio station, give us your advert, or you can send on 0777 212263, and make sure when you send them something very special, tell me which program would like your advert to be played in. You want Living Drive, you want a go at Korea, you have the 9th hour, so whatever. So gombulira akalango ko yakatuka program, and of course
yes,
for the radio station you find out on you can find us on Google. Just type in radio yo ngoli ku Google. And then the first link to come out there, that's the radio station. You tap in and then you save it.
You listen.
Make sure you like for that, so that you like more shows that run during the day. So otherwise, we'd like to wish you a nice evening. Let's come back with news about Uncle Chumi with the man himself, with the girl herself is
Spicy
with Space Diana.
Yes.
So Tovako, we're gonna bring you adverts or news about Space Diana ne Uncle Chumi. Rwacho ruyimba baruditinze yo. Rwachi Space ruyimba yarujeo ku internet. Ye Uncle Chumi Rwachi ayagala bamuguleko baba musasule rwakadde yagambe ntino sebo na ye Uncle Chumi aina abamulyako gwenjukira yakogera kayimba ako ye akagamba ako ye gundi, yani ye Gravito Mutuju yagamba sebo nze nina abandi ako wapfe nzaina ne motoka tova ko yakamimba ako bayisoni.